Welcome to my channel. In this video we are looking at tangent intersecting secant. So in the previous two videos we looked at a chord intersecting a chord and then a secant intersecting a secant. In this one we have a secant intersecting with a tangent. Now we will straight away go to an example, and in the example we are trying to find the length P. So the P is from that point to that point. Let's name the points. The point where they intersect is the point X. So that is the secant will be AX, and the point on the circumference which it goes through, that will be point B, and the point on the circumference that the tangent touches, we will call it T. So that's the secant, that's the tangent. Tangent means a line outside the circle which touches only one point on the circumference. The rule is AX times XB is equal to XT squared. I'm putting a dot in place of time so that we don't get confused between X and multiplication sign. We can put bars over here on top to indicate that they mean the line segment. So AX multiplied by XB should be equal to the square of XT. So let's start with the formula. AX times XB is equal to XT squared. Now how long is AX? AX is the length 9 plus the length 3. Okay, so AX is going to be equal to 9 plus 3, and that multiplication sign comes here. XB, the length of the secant that is outside the circle, XB is 3, is going to be equal to XT squared. So that is denoted by P. So instead of XT squared, we can write down P squared. 9 plus 3 is going to give us 12. And the dot over here means times. 12 times 3 will give us P squared. Now 12 times 3 is equal to 36. 36 equals P squared. Over here, our variable is on the right hand side. We can easily swap the right and the left because we have only one item on each side. So we can safely swap the right hand side with the left hand side. 36 equals P squared. In other words, P squared equals 36. Now the square over here goes to the other side and it becomes the opposite. The opposite of plus is minus, the opposite of times is divide, and vice versa. The opposite of square is going to be equal to square root. So square root of what? Square root of the right hand side, which is 36. So the value P is going to be equal to square root of 36 is equal to 6. Not forgetting the units, they're in centimeters, so centimeters. So I hope by going through this rule and example, we have understood how to solve problems related to tangent intersecting secant and finding an unknown value. Thanks for watching.